Interacting and collaborating with others is a vital part of our work life. We plan, brainstorm and share insights every day, in small and big groups, from short stand-up meetings to full-day sessions. During these sessions, being able to record, visualize and rearrange ideas is key. Taking notes and making sketches triggers creativity and makes it possible to build upon each other's ideas. To enable this in any session and in any location, we have designed magic charts. Ready-to-use writing sheets that turn any room into a collaborative workspace. Simply stick them on any wall, door or window and start visualizing. With magic charts, you always come prepared to make sure that your message sticks with the participants. Magic Chart. Unbox your meeting. Visit legomaster.com/magic-chart for more information and inspiration.